to another haul. This one's a little different. This is an international haul with a couple of South African pieces. So I went to China. I don't know if you know. Okay, if you didn't know, I went to China with UJ. So I was selected to speak at a university in Shandong, and while I was there I obviously did a little bit of shopping, as one would going anywhere out of the country. So I did a little bit of shopping. I also did shopping before I left, so I want to show you some of those pieces, but I don't have all the pieces that I bought in China because some of it was for my sister and my mom and my older sister and baby Jay, so I gave it to them already and I couldn't be bothered to get it back from them. Yeah, so I'm just gonna show you some of the things that I got here before I left first, and then I'll show you everything that I bought in China. So if you want to see this video, just keep on watching. Okay, so before leaving, I went to Pick n Pay. I was looking for just plain tees. I knew it was gonna be cold in China because they're slowly getting out of winter, so I knew it was going to be a little chilly, but I wanted plain tees to wear underneath, like a jersey, just in case it got hotter as the day went on, then I would have something to change into. But I went to Pick n Pay and I got a couple items. Oh, I have receipts too. So the first thing I got, there was a big sale at Pick n Pay before I left. So I left on the 24th of March. So the week before that, that's when I got these things. I got this bodysuit. This is a kind of lacy bodysuit. It's called the 1996 lace bodysuit in rose pink. This is in XXL and it was on sale from 190 rand to 95 rand. On me right now, it's a little tight. It's a little uncomfortably small. And then I got 3 shirts. One that's a beautiful mustardy color. I don't have it here. I think it's in the washer. It's the most soft and comfortable material I've ever felt. It's from Pick n Pay clothing. It is a long sleeve shirt with a kind of like turtleneck, like a mock neck, maybe. It's so comfortable. It comes in a multitude of different colors. There's browns, pinks, yellows, different shades of pink. It's just actually such a beautiful shirt. And then I got these t-shirts. It says my favorite tea. These are in, I got 2 of them, this color and pink. Yes, the other one was pink. They were on sale. They're still on sale right now, but I don't know if they'll still be on sale when you see this video. They were buy 2 for 100 bucks. They're just plain simple tees, like a v-neck, and this is in the size 3XL. Fits really comfortably. Love it with a pair of jeans. Just, you know, throw it on. It's one of those shirts, you know, I don't have to stress in the morning. I just put it on and go. And then we went to H&M and I got this hoodie. Super simple gray hoodie. It says born to stand out. Love that. I just needed something warm, and well, actually I had an outfit for the airport and my mom said she didn't like the shirt that I was gonna wear, so we went to H&M and we found this and she said she loved this, so I wore this with the leggings, and I just needed something warm. So it has like fleece lining inside, so it was super warm, which is key when you're going on a plane for that many hours. And it was super warm and comfortable the whole way. I was traveling, I think, for so the flights was 13 hours, and then the layover was about 13 hours as well, and then the flight to the city Jinan was 3 hours. So I think I was traveling for an entire day, actually probably over an entire day. So this was really comfortable. My outfit had to be comfortable, like there was no other way I was gonna make it. So this was really comfortable. This is in a size large. This is in a large and it sits loose on me. So this is one of their like oversized pieces. This is by the Log brand. Yes, LOGG. I like it. Okay, so last 2 items that I got while I was still here before I left. So on the 23rd I went to Ed Sheeran. at Soccer City, and it was magical and just everything. As I expected, he was amazing. And so I got this snapback. I got the snapback with the divide sign, and then I got this tote bag that says Ed Sheeran in the front, and then it's got all the cities in the back. So this was fun. Now for the exciting part. I got this hat over there. It's kind of extra, but it looks really cute, and it's got these like this detailing here, and then it's got this detailing up here, so that's pretty cute. And then we went to a supermarket over there, and they had tons of different flavored Oreos, and I didn't get all of them, which, well, I didn't get the ones that I didn't think I would like. And now thinking about it, I probably should have got all of them just to kind of do like a taste test video. But okay, so I got this tiramisu box, and these are really like super thin. And then I got this like, that's like a vanilla cupcake, I believe, I don't know, but this box. And then I got a birthday box, so it looks like the Oreo has, what is it called, sprinkles inside. And then I got the strawberry box, so that was fun. And then I got this phone case for my phone. How beautiful is that? I've seen it a number of times on a website that I wanted to buy from, but it was super expensive and I just wasn't gonna do that. So when I saw this, and green isn't usually my color, but this like foil inside everything, so I got that, and it's got like the matte black around it, which is super cute. And then I also got a cover for my bigger phone. This one is just polka dots. It's the same kind of like almost gloss texture at the back. And then it's got the same matte around it. And then, okay. And then I got these masks. So you know how we have the surgical masks here? They're just like a plain blue color. So in China, they wear them like every single day. I think it's to prevent themselves from getting sick or because of the pollution or whatever, but they wear these like on a regular basis. So they've taken them and they've made them stylish. There's like black, there's purple, like they really look so chic. And obviously here we don't have that market where we would need them, where they could actually take them and make them chic and all that stuff. So I got them. I wanted to take a photo, bought them purely for a photo, and I'm still going to take that, but they're so cute. I have one out here, and I'll show you how that looks on. So that's how it looks. I think it looks so chic. The way that they wore them, that side, they just look so chic, and it was just everything. And then I also got myself a mini backpack. So I'm not really a bag person, but backpacks and sling bags, I'm obsessed. So I got this black and white one because I have a backpack, but it's gray. And then I have every other color under the sun except for black. I still don't have just a plain black one yet, and I'm still on the hunt for that. But this one is so cute. It's a small mini one, and I love it. That's how it looks. It's just a striped black backpack. And then, so there was this bunny shop there. There was this tea shop there. It's called Bland Bunny's Tea. If you ever see it anywhere, just go in and smell the tea. So we went to this market twice, and the first time when we went, I'm not really a tea person, so I walked right past the store. But then my two friends and my teachers were raving about this tea and how amazing it smells and all that stuff, so I thought, let's go in and smell the tea and all that stuff. And this smells amazing. This is the flavor Sunshine Hawaii. If I could like pocket this smell and like post it with this video, I would, because I can't tell you what it smells like. I don't know. Oh my gosh, it smells like a tropical paradise. It actually smells ridiculous. So it's really, really there's so many different flavors. There's like the strawberry cream one. It's crazy. And I only got this one like tin. That's only because I don't drink tea. But if I was like a tea connoisseur, I would have got like a whole package thing. Okay, so while we were there, we went into a shoe shop, and they had these cute Converse All-Stars, and they're studded, and this mustardy yellow color, which I love, but I also love gray. Like, gray is my favorite color. But so the sad part is these are both 4.5, and these were the last of this style. So I got them anyway, just because I feel like at some point in my life they're gonna fit me. They're a little small right now, but I'm gonna keep them. I'm really excited. They look really cute and I want to wear them. So, and the last piece that I got in China, which is probably my favorite piece, and that's why I saved it for last, is this bag. So it's a sling bag, I believe. How freaking adorable is this bag? So the backpack that I got for my sister is the same color. It's the same brand, which is MCM. But how freaking cute is this? And it's so heavy. Oh my gosh. So this is how the belt looks. It's got a thick belt, and then it's got this like, so it's all brown, and it's got the gold detailing all over it, which is stunning. And then when you open it, it's got this chain over here. It's so beautiful, you guys. And so that's how it looks on the inside. So it's kind of stuffed right now. It's got a little bag for it that says MCM, and a plastic which I stuffed in there. And then it also has a thinner belt, so if I want to change the thick belt and have a thinner long belt, I can do that. And then it's got a zip compartment in here. It also has kind of like a, I don't know what you would put in there. It's kind of like a slip-in compartment, and the inside is super soft. Almost feels like suede. Beautiful, beautiful bag. I'm obsessed with it. Yeah, this is my favorite purchase. And then after you put everything inside there, you also have space to put stuff over here in this compartment, which is so great. It's a beautiful bag, you guys. I'm obsessed. MCM is a huge brand over there. Like, there's so many people carrying around everywhere. So this was something that I fell in love with, and so I got it. It was a little pricey, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. You really don't. Okay, so when we left Jinan, we went to Hong Kong. Our overlay was in Hong Kong, and so while we were there on the last day, we got to go into the city, and I got this card that says I love Hong Kong, and it's kind of one of those, like, when you move it, the picture changes. It's super pretty. Actually, it's really gorgeous. So that's one, and that's another. Hopefully it shows. Super cute card. Okay, so while we were in the city, we went to City Harbor, which is like this huge mall with just like brand name shops. So like Alexander Wang, Balenciaga, Gucci, Louis Vuitton, like all these brands, Fendi. It's crazy. So outside of this mall, there's like a whole like street with just shops. There's an ice store and everything like that, and there was an H&M there. And so I went to this H&M and I got this bag. I initially got it for my mom, but that was only if she didn't like the red one that I got for her in China. But she liked that one, so she took that one. Now I'm left with this one, and it's not really my style, but I'm gonna carry it because I spent a ton of money on it. Anyway, it's this black bag, simple black bag. It's got gold detailing. It was 279 Hong Kong dollars. Cute black bag, really formal. I feel like I could fit my laptop in here. Got tons of compartments. inside. You know, I feel like H&M here will have this bag, or has already had it. It's kind of like their statement pieces. They always kind of bring back the ones that really sell out quickly. So the one thing that I'm really excited about that I got from H&M in Hong Kong is the makeup. So I got this sponge first. It's a dual what is this? Silly sponge? Silly? It's the silicone one, and then on the other side it's just a normal kind of beauty blender. Super excited to try that. But the real star of the show is this limited edition glow palette. It says peach and gold highlights and sublime shine and sheen finish. So it's called the limited edition glow palette from H&M. It's so pretty, you guys. This was $250. Let me show you. Are you ready? You're gonna die. So this is how it looks, and when you open it, I mean, are you joking? Look how beautiful this is. Absolutely beautiful. I'm obsessed. Look at that gold in the middle right there, and this like pink. Oh gosh, like, yep, that's how I felt when I saw it. And I got the last one, so you can tell that they like it as well. Then the last thing that I got that is makeup related, this was $80. This is a glitter eyeshadow palette. Let me actually just open it up. So that's how that looks. It's got beautiful colors. I love that blue over there. It's so vibrant. But most of the colors are very wearable. Well, I guess it depends on who you are, but I think this is very wearable. Beautiful colors. I love that pink over there, and this. So some of them are super chunky and thick, and then some of them are really fine glitters, like that one and that one and this pink one. Beautiful colors. Love it. I think that's everything. That is everything. I'm so excited I get to pack all these things away. I've been back a week, and it's just been crazy readjusting to this time zone, because it's a 6-hour difference. Not too bad. But that's everything that I have for you. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on the little gray bell for notifications. Check me out on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!